Hey, welcome back, and we're gonna continue with the market structure because it's important. In the last video we talked about market structure, how it moves, it goes up, it goes down, or we have the range of market. Now we're gonna get more into the specifics. There is two types, which is high high, high low. As you can understand, high means on the uptrend, and there is lower low, lower high, which is gonna be on the downtrend. So let's get into the chart and we're gonna see some examples. So first things first. For example, we have an uptrend. Yeah, we have the uptrend, and it's kinda understandable that in the uptrend we are looking for the higher highs and higher lows. Higher high is that movement highest point before it starts falling a little bit. When it's starting once again reversing going up, it's gonna be another higher high. But at this point it's gonna be new higher low. So which is, so here we have higher high, the price goes up, creates higher high at this point, and it starts going down. Here we have a new point created, which is called high low. Once again, price starting to emerge to the top. The first rule to creating a new higher high, that it has to be higher than the previous one. So in this case scenario is this one. It's above. So now here we have a new higher high. Correct? That's a new higher high. Once again, price going down a little bit. What do we have here? We have high low. Easy to understand, easy to read the charts for sure. Now we're going to the another example, which is gonna be a downtrend movement. The downtrend movement basically is kind of the same, but in this case scenario, what do we have? We have lower low. When the price starts go up, it creates new lower high. Once again, price starts going down, creating new lower point than the previous lower low. So in this case scenario here, we're gonna have a new lower low. Correct? A new lower low. Price starting to go up. Here we're gonna have a new lower high. Once again, price going down, we're gonna have new lower low, and basically so on. So that's the understanding of it. You can take the picture of both of them if you wanna. I can write it down. This one is gonna be high. This one has to be high low. Here we have lower low, and here we have lower high. We have uptrend, and we have downtrend. Now let's go into the market. Okay, the Bitcoin. I'm gonna stick here. Okay, up to date, never mind. Up to date. Let's pretend it's not here, this part. I don't know, maybe you won't be able to see it. Maybe I'm gonna clean it. Never mind. We're gonna try to draw what we can see. Going up, going down. Going up, going down. Going up, going down. Going up, going down. Going up, down, up, down. And there is a big possibility the price gonna continue to go up. So now let's let's hide it, and we're gonna have something like that. Yeah, the market is moving, and what do we have here? We're gonna try to make it higher high, higher low. Once again, higher high, higher high, higher high, and higher high. Same goes with the high low, higher low, higher low. In this case, there was a consolidation. We can change it a little bit, but yeah, sometimes market tricks us for sure, and you're gonna see that a lot. But yeah, you have to look for the bigger picture always, and always follow the trend. New higher high, new higher low, and new higher low. Something like that. So now we have up-to-date structure, knowing that it's forming new higher highs and new higher lows. So for the next position, what we're gonna do, we're gonna look for the long positions, because that's the uptrend. With the downtrend, it's the opposite. We are looking for lower lows and lower highs. Let's look at the chart. I think I'm gonna find something for sure. Okay, we have something like that. What is the price doing? The price is going down, and we're gonna try to mark it. Dun. Now you see consolidation, going down, then the fake out. Sometimes happens. Going down, down, and we're going down. Now I'm gonna hide it. And once again, what we are doing, we are trying to understand the market. This is the lower high, and this is lower low. And we have a new lower low here, new lower low here, new lower low here, and here. Here we have a new lower highs, also new lower high. See, it's not above this one, not above this one, just above this one. It was a manipulation. We're also gonna talk about it. Don't be scared, I'm gonna explain everything for you. Lower high, and lower high. You see, it was a down movement for like a past week, and for the past few days it was starting to take an uptrend, and we're gonna looking for the long positions. So that's the basic understanding. Open the fucking trading view, try to draw the lines, try to find lower highs, lower lows, and higher highs, higher lows to understand the market. You're also gonna find the raging market, they don't have it, or you can go to the lower time frame and you're gonna notice some, for example, reversals when they are reversing on the resistance level. Also on the support level, it's going like that, touching the support level, and then starts going to the next resistance level. So that's the raging market. But what we're gonna do, we always gonna follow the trend. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.